I wanted to be part of a culture that I believe in. Growing up as a Hispanic, our number one priority is family. I have never had so much fun and laughed so much in an interview that they made me feel part of a family. Even though I was interviewing, I was like sold.
My mother started working at Dollywood and I followed suit. I actually have brought my kids, both have worked here.
I come from the Dominican Republic, so I got people that ask me, hey, where are you from? Because your accent and stuff like that. I'm like, I'm trying to get the southern accent, but it's hard to, you know?
You just gotta say y'all a little bit more to get that country accent, just y'all.
Yeah.
I know I'm older than him, but I call him Pops for a reason.
Lisa's my mom, not my blood.
That helped me to come back here this year, knowing that I had somebody who would look out for me.
I have grown more as a chef than I've ever done due to the fact that he trusts in me.
They've all worked for me, but that doesn't mean that I was always the one doing the teaching either, because I have learned things from Julia, I've learned things from Carly, I've learned things from Julie.
When I walk in the door and I see Caitlin and Holly, my day just gets better.
I enjoy creating smiles and memories. Like, I know some guests by name. Every time they walk through the park, even if they're not getting food, they'll come up and they'll be like, hey Raven, how are you doing? I'm like, oh hey, how are you? How's your kids doing? It's just so rewarding just making them smile. Even if it's something as easy as me walking to your table to hand you your food. Something so simple can create such a big impact on them, making them feel heard.
The most successful thing with my day is watching all the people walk out of the bakery with a smile on their face. There's hardly any that go out without a smile.
And then they try it, and then they come back for more, such as our cinnamon bread.
All around park, you'll see families sitting together, eating together, enjoying a moment away from everything together. And so for me, it's just that big picture of being able to provide a moment to just come together, enjoy each other's company, and enjoy some good food.
I wanted to be in a place where I wasn't underestimated. My wife she finally can say that her husband got to the place where he needed to be at.